Okay, guys, maybe gals, but this is a Ford Taurus. No, Ford Focus 2001. It's got that in it. So, anyways, see the alternator. Well, see, there's this little tab right here. See, right here. That went on. I don't even know if I can do this. Anyways, that went right on to here. See, that went on there. I cut it off. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. I cut it off. Then, right here, this bar, see, this went down here like so. It came up around. Okay, to protect your fuel line right here. Okay, so I took this off. You know, there's a little. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a stud right here, down there. Then there's a hole in it here to hold it onto this piece here. So that went like. I'll see if I can pick this light back up. I'll tell you, lots of fun. So, anyways, this went down here like that, and that piece went onto it. And you see, right? Let's move the light. Golly. If anything, you gotta go, Jesus, God, man, you got a kick out of this stupid ass running the camera. Okay, right here. I had to bend this down, this tab down a hair. That was for ground. But anyways, you can get the alternator up through there, okay, through the top, without undoing the motor mounts. Those are the couple of things I had to do. And, well, hopefully you won't have the same problems, but you probably will. So, folks, now I got to put this pig back together. I don't know why Fords do this, but they do. They make it pain in the butt. I had to do what the hell was that thing? A Ford Escape. Had the V6, the 3.0 V6 in it. And that thing went down the bottom, went out the bottom. Then you had to lift the engine up, do one of the mounts, lift the engine up so you could slide it out between the frame and the engine. I'll tell you. Talk about pain in the butt. Just for a stupid alternator. You would think they'd put that stuff up, because, I mean, you replace alternators and starters. Air conditioners, yeah, you do sometimes. But you would think they'd put the stuff that they know goes bad in a spot where you could easily change it. But hey, these guys are smarter than you and me. So y'all have a good one, and try not to smash your knuckles on things and bleed all over.